The folks at Maven Security Consulting, they also created a series of tools. They actually packaged some of these tools, like the then vulnerable web application, several other type of sites and applications and databases that are vulnerable. And not only that, but they created this distribution called the Web Security Dojo that also has different testing tools and the vulnerable applications that you can actually use in a clean environment, right? So in a safe environment, in other words, and practice your skills, right? The Web Security Dojo is specifically for web penetration testing and, of course, web application security assessments, right? You can actually install it in a VirtualBox, right? It's actually an OVF file, so an OVA file that you can actually download and use in VMware, in VirtualBox, and any other type of VM environment, right? They have a lot of resources actually there for you. They even have a YouTube set of videos on how to actually install it. It's very simple. As you see in here, I have it running on my system. And as you can see, it's basically a Linux distribution. And if you go under targets, it actually has several different applications that you can actually run. Like they have a Hack Me Casino application that you're actually seeing here that has several vulnerabilities. They also have different targets like the OWASP Juicy Shop start, the Juicy Shop application. They have WebGoat, WebGoat Next Generation, and they have many other targets as well. They include things like Metasploit and RATS and Skipfish and SQL Map and the Z attack proxy, Beef, and some other ones. So you don't even need to have Kali Linux in a different environment, because a lot of these tools that are here are already pre-packaged for you, and you can use them in a safe environment within the same system itself, right? So kudos to the guys at Maven Security for actually putting this together. I have the link, of course, in the screen here where you can actually download the Web Security Dojo and go through the exercises. I will use some of these throughout the course, and also I have the link in the GitHub repository for this class.